Hey everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome to my channel. In this video, Nick and I will be finally putting in our graphics card into our PC and we will put it all together and build it in the room. As you can see, the PC is right next to me. I have my Windows PC and my Mac set up. I can work on both platforms at the same time. Hey everyone, we're back. It's day 3. But it's weekend, so we're gonna finish this up. And I think the last thing we have to install is our graphics card. So we have the EVGA 2070 Super. One thing that we realized we're missing is a Wi-Fi card. So we're just gonna plug in through Ethernet. And then once that's done, we're going to set up in our room, set up our desk, make sure everything's all connected there, and then show you guys everything. Which one is it going in? The top two? Install your first GeForce graphics card into the primary PCIe 516 slot.
Yeah,
you have to push it there. Putting the PCIe 6 and 2, which equals 8, into here. Can you push against the chassis? Okay, and then we're gonna feed this end to the back.
And we are
Ready? Close it up. Final piece. Probably be easier to lay it flat, but you know, we like to do things the hard way. We're hard workers.
Get that extra workout in.
Yes. Hey Google, turn on the lights. Thanks for watching through the end of the video. If you'd like to go ahead and subscribe, I'll go ahead and add a button to the side of my head. If you'd like to stick around for more, please do hit that bell so that way you're notified of when my next video is posted, and hopefully that'll be soon. Alright, thanks guys. Peace. Wow, look at the keyboard.